The last 2 days were an amazing collaboration of multiple rescue and organization groups from all over Nevada with Greater Goods and the Jackson Galaxy Project and the Viticus Group to come together to meet and learn so that we can save the lives of more cats in our community. Our learning is fluid in this space, and there are many things that we used to do to save cats that we're not doing today. So we were able to learn from some of the top experts in the country on how to save more and more cats in shelters and foster-based rescues, and it was just really impactful so that we can bring this back to our teams and impact not only the lives of cats, but of humans as well. We're just so grateful for our partnership with the Viticus Group. The Greater Goods people told me that this was the nicest venue that they've ever worked with for any of the Jackson Galaxy Project events, and we were just so impressed. And I know the attendees were as well, that we had this opportunity to work with the Viticus Group, and we look forward to more collaborations with them in the future.
Thank you, Las Vegas.